This is not the video I wanted to make, but I haven't been uploading in some time now. Things are just getting a little rough, and I'm here to tell you guys about my addiction. And I'm making this video. It's not easy. It's definitely not easy to make this video, but I'm making this video in case there's other people like me that are suffering with this addiction. And hear me out. Alright guys, I had to step away from the house. Don't want people overhearing this conversation because I'm not going to hear the end of it. But I'm going to tell you guys about everything that's been going on. So there's no easy way to go about this. Last year, I've been grinding it out, 2 jobs nonstop. And it all happened there. I got burnt out. That's when I turbocharged that vehicle. Working all the time, working on the car, grinding, making these videos, trying to post everything, just trying to get some more income going and pursue my hobby, which is cars. And that's when it all went right there, you know, started to get addicted. Whew. Guys, I'm addicted to Boost. Ever since I turboed this Honda Civic last year, I've been in a dry spell since I blew that motor. For about a year now, I've been naturally aspirated, and although everything's been working well since the rebuild, thank the Lord, I've been missing something. My addiction set in last year when I turbocharged this vehicle, and I got an itch day in, day out. I keep itching. I'm addicted to Boost. And I'm sure a lot of you guys that had turbocharged cars before, and it's true, I've heard this story before. Once you get boosted, it's an addiction. You just want more and more, never ending, and it's a fact. So, sorry guys if you thought it's a real addiction. I don't mean to make fun of any addictions, by no means. This is all like a little skit that I was putting in together. Clickbait, you can say. But we will be turbocharging the Honda Civic once again, boys. Obviously, I took the turbo off. We had the turbo sitting. I've had it for sale for the last few months. Few people were interested. No one came through. So I have the turbo kit. Spring is finally coming around the corners. It's been cold the last 6 months. I haven't been getting much videos or anything out there, but I'm excited, and I want to bring a better turbocharger, a more efficient system, and a reliable system, because we don't want it to blow. So I already have a bunch of ideas and thoughts in my head that I plan to do. Again, this is my daily driver, so I have to be cautious of that. I have been looking around left and right for 2-door coupes, stick shift, and I swear I've went to test drive probably 3-4 now. And man, all these Civics are garbage. They are not up to my standard of quality, of cleanliness. It's just, they're all really messy and shot down, beat up Civics. And then the clean ones are going for $8,000, which is ridiculous because that's the price of a clean SI a few years back. So it's just crazy. That's why I'm probably just going to turbocharge this one, even though it's an automatic. We're still going to rock with the boys because we're still going to be learning. So if you guys are watching the channel, if you have been watching the channel since I turbocharged the vehicle, thank you so much. To do this project going forward, if you guys can assist me here and help me out, I am offering a few things for people to help partake in this build. For example, we got the YouTube Super Thanks. I do have a PayPal and a Venmo below for any contributions. I will be setting up a membership tab, so you can see a join sign right next to my channel name. You will be getting some perks there as well, such as special badges, emojis, and members will be able to see videos before the public sees them. So that's a little perk. It's a membership, $1.99. You can help a brother out with many things that we need to keep growing our skill, our craft, and making these projects come true. I hope to entertain a little bit, inform, and educate on everything. And, you know, I don't really bullshit around. I tell you how it is. I try to teach in my videos and show you everything I'm going through. It's really a documentary. So if you're not with it, you don't have to watch. But if you are one that enjoys it, if you have an 8th gen Civic that really appreciates the advice I give, the tuning and walking through what I'm doing, that's awesome. And yeah, stick to the journey. I'm looking to get a lot of tools. I'm looking to do well, let me tell you what I'm trying to do with the car right now, guys. Let me give you a different vibe right here. Let's go with blue. I'm trying to do a custom catback exhaust system. We're gonna need a bandsaw. We're gonna need something to cut pies, weld it all in. So funds that you guys will help with, we are gonna be putting right back to the channel on tools, like I mentioned, bandsaw, belt sander, grinding discs specific for aluminum, and all these aluminum specific things for welding and grinding. We will be buying exhaust piping, more intercooler piping to fab things up. I do want to make custom charge pipes. We want to make the charge pipe look much better, much cleaner, weld on the blow-off valve into there, make it look professional, not the cheap eBay silicone coupler look. So we got a few things planned right now, and I'm sure there's going to be way more going forward with this. But those are some of the paths that you can take in order to help the channel and help me out, and I appreciate that. One thing that I've been working on really hard but not so hard is merch. I've been trying to tell myself, man, I want to put some merch out there for the longest time, and I'm getting closer, but I'm still not putting as much effort as I should be into merch. But I want to create a t-shirt design affiliated with my channel. Obviously that's automotive based. That way you guys can go purchase some merch from me, and that also will help stimulate the channel a little bit. And I'll be happy you guys are rocking some of my gear. I have a t-shirt that I'm working on right now. I don't know if it's up and ready and live to buy right now at the time of the video. I'm hoping it is. If it is, bam, right there, link in the description. Go check it out and purchase one for the whole family. But really, guys, thank you for the support. This R18 really kind of honed in on my niche here. Like I'm starting to realize this car building stuff, that's pretty freaking cool. Obviously, if you had a project car and a daily driver, it's a much easier task to do, but we're gonna do what we have to do with what we got, and that's what we've been doing this whole channel, with the car, with the turbocharger, with naysayers, and we're just gonna do it. All right, it doesn't matter how long it's gonna take us. What we have to do, we're gonna do it. So if there's people that talk crap, you guys can keep talking crap, but I'm really proud of myself, how far I've gone just in general with the whole turbocharger journey. And now that I'm still pursuing it and I still want more, there's definitely a drive in me to keep going and making things happen. And really, man, I just want to keep building this up, keep growing, keep going further with this, because I'm addicted. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, because we are getting started with the preliminary things for the Turbo R18. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and again, the donation centers are open for any type of donation whatsoever. Thank you and peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.